Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 28 kW home standby generator is a remarkable solution for homeowners seeking reliable backup power. With a robust 28,000 watts of power, this generator is designed to handle the demands of a full-sized home, ensuring that essential appliances and systems remain operational during power outages. One of the standout features of this generator is its automatic transfer switch with a 200 amp capacity. This means that when the power goes out, the generator activates automatically, seamlessly powering your home without requiring any manual intervention. This reliability is a game-changer for families who depend on electricity for their daily routines. The switch also ensures that the generator is capable of handling the load of multiple devices at once, which is particularly advantageous during blackouts that may last several hours or longer. The installation process is straightforward, although it is recommended to have a professional handle it for optimal safety and performance. Once installed, the Generac generator boasts a user-friendly interface that allows homeowners to monitor its operation easily. Its quiet test mode is a thoughtful feature that runs the generator at a lower RPM, reducing noise during its weekly self-tests, which is a plus for residential neighborhoods. In terms of durability, Generac is known for its high-quality construction. This generator is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, and its steel enclosure provides excellent protection against the elements. Moreover, the engine is designed for longevity, promising years of reliable service with minimal maintenance. Another significant advantage is the Wi-Fi capability that allows for remote monitoring. With the Generac app, users can keep track of their generator's performance right from their smartphones, giving them peace of mind even when they are away from home. In conclusion, the Generac 28 kW home standby generator is an excellent investment for homeowners seeking security during power outages. Its robust power output, reliable automatic transfer switch, durable construction, and smart technology make it a standout choice in the market.